We have a 4S Spektrum 450 milliamp 30C battery. This is the Maiden E-flite. I haven't tried it yet. We're going to give it a try. Spektrum NX8 Plus. Safe mode. We're going to take off in safe. I'm on another frozen lake, one of the 5 lakes I got here in my neighborhood. Private lakes. 14 degrees out, 8-mile-an-hour winds.
Motors armed.
Motors armed. I don't know if you guys will be able to see her. I got it in safe. Hard to see. It's gray and white on the bottom, blue and white on the top. This is in safe. Yank and bank. Into the wind, away from the wind. Trying to get closer for us. Stay close, trying to, guys. Let's go straight up. Oh, she goes up pretty high. Battery don't like it. It's cold out. We'll come back down to earth. This is so easy to fly, guys, especially in safe. Very easy to fly. You can't overcorrect, you're in safe mode. Little coordinated turns. Whoa, I'm lucky I just didn't hit the trees with that. Oh, that was awesome. I skimmed the ground. I took the wheels off, guys. I got so lucky I just didn't hit that tree. Doesn't turn very good on in safe. Let's try to land. We lost some parts. That was a blast. My canopy's out here. A little too hard. I ripped something off. Oh, the bottom vertical fin. Ventral fin or whatever they call it, maybe. Yeah, they pop right off. It's plastic, apparently. Well, that's good. Looks like it pops right off. Guys, you can see I'm in knee-deep snow. So, no big deal. Should be a magnet, no? Oh, it is. Look at that. Clips in and it's got a magnet. I did not know that. Guys, I'm like walking in snow that's knee-deep. There's some snowmobile paths that packed it down. Other than that, up here in Massachusetts, we've gotten about 5 feet of snow in the past month. So, it is pretty hard to get out here flying. I'm trying. Let's try this again. It's real cold. I don't want to push this battery too hard, but we'll give it another try.
Normal mode. Safe mode.
I'm going to take off in safe. Oh man, she floats forever. We lost the fin again and the canopy. She floats forever, guys, and then when you hit the ice, you're just it's ice, you're gonna slide forever. Oh my god, it's knee deep, guys, the snow. What I do to fly airplanes. Oh my gosh, she's awesome. I love her. I got a radar gun in the truck I could set up on a tripod, but I'm not even gonna attempt it with the snow this deep. So there it is, guys. Until next time, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe and like, and we'll see you again soon.